Hi guys, welcome to Ral's Inside Jungle channel. Sorry for my voice, it's a little bit rusty, and sorry for the time I've been away, roughly 2 weeks. I should have posted every Friday, Friday evening, Eastern European time, but unfortunately the works around the house and the remodeling around the house and the balcony prevented me from taking some time apart to update you of how my plants are doing. As you can see over here, I have new windows finally. So these are my new windows. I still have to remove the stickers on it, and these are my plants. I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is balcony update number 2. You can take a look at balcony update number 1 so you can see the difference. This is the color you put on the balcony. It's basically a sort of peach to coral, something like that. And what's happening down there, I am basically taking a shower because all my plants are very dusty, so they are all taking a shower. This is my Madagascar jasmine. I need to wipe it. I really need to wipe it. It was so dusty, couldn't breathe for her. These are my Purer calamansi. These guys have some deficiency. We'll have to take care in the next couple of weeks of it. This already took a shower. As you can see, they look lovely with these water drops. This one has a calcium deficiency. The upper lip is curling. Now I already put aside quite a few eggshells, so I'm gonna boil them. And next time I'm gonna water them. It's gonna be in 2 days from now, and I'm gonna water them with eggshell water. Yeah, of course. Please, if you do the same thing, in order to get some calcium to your plants, just wait for the water to cool down. Yeah, never put some boiling water on your plants. But if you have citrus, don't forget, either if you're taking a shower to your citrus just like I am, either if you're watering, please remember never to put very cold water. They don't like it. They will like it room temperature and maybe a tiny bit warmer than that. These guys also have showered, and these are my dusty ones. Can you see the difference? I hope you can see it. Okay, washed, not washed. Yeah, so you can see quite a thick layer of dust on them. So let me show you what I did here. This is just update number 2. This is not a final update. The plants will live here indeed, but I'm planning to put a nicer aluminium foil over here on behind all the shelves with calamansi, so the light will be maximized. And that's gonna be my storage area downstairs as well, and that's about it. Balcony update number 2, and calamansi citrus trees before and after showering. And this wall, of course, will be fixed. It's just in a poor shape right now. In time, maybe months or so, we will have time to deal with it as well. So I hope you enjoyed the color of my balcony. I hope you enjoy the fact that my plants have a room just for them. And look, my aloe there, right there on top, and my borage is looking quite poor, and I do not know why. Avocado number 1, avocado number 2. Actually, this is a good moment to show you this. Look, I made a video of how to properly get an avocado seed to germinate much faster than the method with the toothpicks and placing it in a glass of water. So I already have a baby little avocado coming out right there. but I'm still gonna keep it covered. In the night it's a bit colder than it should be for an avocado tree. Okay, so from my still dusty balcony, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I hope you enjoy my army of calamansi trees, and I hope you'll stay tuned. Thank you for watching me once again, and happy gardening. Go get dirty.